She needs some oil, she.
This is not okay. Oh, the flakes. Oh,
This head is on fire.
girl. I got an emergency on my hands, Miss Girl. I'm in Mexico. But my scalp is wilding out. I've been here for a whole day now. I got here the second half of yesterday, and now it's about 3 o'clock the next day. And I want to go outside. I want to be outside like Rihanna. I could literally see mountains and ocean. It's right there. But I'm here because look.
Hey.
No bad comments today.
Yeah, it's bad. So it's time for an emergency scalp transplant.
It was bad for her. It was really bad for her.
First step, run to the bathroom.
Are you running?
Oh, okay. All right, now we have to get this together. Let's go ahead and take these twists out. I had mini twists in for a while. I just took those out and put them in larger twists. I put some mini twists in thinking I would be cute for this vacation. Nope, took them down immediately. I worked out twice without a bandana and it got mad frizzy. Don't believe me? Just watch. I guess they're right here. Here's pictures. And another one.
You need to leave.
I've never felt so satisfied in my life. Let's get in the shower. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little scared because me and Mexican water don't go well. If you don't know, if you're not from Mexico, Miss Girl, your immune system is no match for the E. coli, the Giardia. If you get any of the water in your mouth, whether it's from the shower, the sink, the ice in your smoothie, no hielo por favor. Girl, learn it, use it. You get a big old tummy ache, and that's like the cute way of saying it. It's really diarrhea and vomit.
I don't know why the my stomach feel like this. I'm in here twisting and turning.
So, I'm gonna get in the shower, but I'm gonna be real careful to keep my mouth closed. Let's go. Hey there. It's time for a spa day with this really cheap hotel shampoo. Girl, what is in here? Just sulfates. And I also packed this deep conditioner from like 2 trips ago, so God knows this is probably expired. I don't even remember what deep conditioner it is, but it'll do. Anyway, I did exactly what I usually do. Okay, nothing changed. I just wet my hair with warm water, mouth clenched because I'm not trying to be clenching that booty hole later on.
What's that?
Girl, that's a booty hole.
Not a hole, Keisha. A valve.
Making extra sure that I don't get any of the water in my mouth. Ew. Y'all, this shower was so good. It was like the best shower I had in my entire life. It was the perfect temperature. I think the floors were heated. And the shampoo, although it was bare minimum, it was straight up just sulfates, it smelled pretty good. And so the whole thing felt like I was truly in a spa. Now, I truly thought that putting the camera just outside the glass would like at least let you see me still clearly, but obviously not. It gave foggy silhouette challenge. But trust, I did use the shampoo. It was extra harsh. Like it was straight up, like put something else in there, girl, almond oil, something up in there. But that did mean that my scalp got really clean, which is exactly what I needed. I shampooed like 3 times. I made sure to get my scalp, girl, hit in all directions. And then when I rinsed out the shampoo, I realized that y'all probably couldn't see me at all. So I literally took my phone and put it in the bathtub, in like the shower. And I started up that deep conditioner, purr. And right here, this is why I use deep conditioners. My hair felt so rejuvenated putting this in. It was like earth was healing, sis. Like
What?
Everything was just falling into line. My energy was back. I was ready for my Mexican vacation, sis. My hair was done. Anyway, 10 minutes later, I rinsed everything out and then, yeah, let's go ahead and style. Wow. Okay, now that that's over, I just washed my face with this big old bucket of juice of water. Big old jug of water that I Postmated from Circle K at 2 a.m.
What?
I felt so bad because it was like a 16-year-old that was riding a bike with these 2 big jugs of water that I ordered. Anyway, moisturizing the skin before I go in on my scalp. Oh my God, look at that. Look how clean. This is why I use sulfate, sis. Just rinsing is not gonna do nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna braid my hair. This is gonna take a while, so just sit back, relax, and let me do all the work. So the products that I'm using, this.
What's that?
What is that? This is, girl, give me a second. My brain is loading. 1, 2, 3. The Curl Treat Smoothie Well, I think this is not the smoothie, it's the butter from Garnier Fructis. And there's actually a little bit of Luster's Pink's Curl and Twist putting in there because I was rushing. I just threw it in there, so it's a mix of 2 leave-in conditioners. And then I also have my trusty dusty Wetline Extreme Gel that I always put in this thing. And I'm always surprised at how little I actually use of this. So this will last me like a whole month. How? I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. I keep going back and forth between, do I want to do chunky braids? Do I want to do smaller braids? I really wish I had the capacity for smaller braids again. Like, will I ever again?
Because I'm tired.
I don't know. And even when I get to this part, I'm like, child, just twist it up. I be tired. What I like about small braids is that they're so easy and compact and I can just throw it in a bun and put a hat over them. Twist, not so much. They still add a little bit of volume underneath the cap. And chunky braids are also a little iffy. I could also just do a wash and go. That would be really easy. But I plan on going in the water and all that stuff, so it's just too much, because then I'm gonna have to redo my hair again. How about we all just wish and pray that something good comes out of today?
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
Yay, we're getting started with the braids. Yeah, girl, ain't no other, it's the top tier vacation style braids, you know what I mean? But when I finished this braid, I had pretty much just one thing to say. I quit.
Oh my
I'm doing twists. I'm not doing braids no more. I'm tired. Girl, what the? That just took me way too long. It was like it was just a minute and a half, and that was too long. I think I'm just at a point where I don't want to do my own hair anymore. I'm just tired, bro. If it's not a wash and go, I'm not doing it. Yeah, I'm gonna do these little twists and move on with my life. So I just filmed a whole bunch of this and my camera died. My phone died first and then I put it on the charger. And then my phone came back on, so I started filming again and then never pressed the button. So I'm done. This is probably the 1,000th set of twists that I've done in my entire life, and I still love it. We're moisturized, the scalp is feeling and looking so much better. So thank you all for hanging out with me and fixing my issue today. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.